At Legend Brands, we understand that you rely on your truck mount to run your business. So anytime you take it into one of our authorized distributors for service or maintenance, you need to get back on the road as quick as possible. And so I wanted to take a little time to talk with you about our Regional Service Manager program and how it's going to benefit you as our customers. Our vision for the 3 regional service managers is that rather than having them sit in an office answering a phone, that they're out in the field working with our authorized distributors to get them up to speed on the latest changes and new technologies at Legend Brands, so that when you take your piece of equipment in, you're going to get the highest level of service available in the industry. Our 3 regional service managers will cover the whole gamut of training, from installation, how to do a proper one, delivery of the product to you, so when you end user picks it up, they get fully trained on how to operate and maintain the truck mount, and then also beyond from service and repair when you do that later down the road. When they're not traveling, we sit down, have meetings on a regular basis, talk about what we're experiencing in the field, how we can help to elevate our authorized dealers and their service support, and work through any issues that we might see as trends with our engineering group. This new program is a substantial investment for Legend Brands, but we understand that our customers rely on their equipment, and so we need to elevate the level of service out there for them. Also, we've launched 3 new truck mounts this year, so it's important that we get around and train all of our authorized distributors on how to service and maintain that equipment. We really feel that this is something that separates Legend Brands from the rest of the competition in the industry.